Hi, welcome back, or if you're new here, thank you for joining. My name is Lisa and this is Adventures in Styling. I like to shop and I lost a lot of weight last year, so what a great excuse to replace my whole wardrobe with new things in a size 4. I was formerly a size 16, and I've been using the help of a stylist through clothing subscription services like Trendsend. I just posted a video with my last Trendsend box, and it wasn't a huge success, but that was a fabulous box. But they were just items that either didn't fit me or that I didn't need. Fortunately, I had a lot of success styling myself by going directly to the mothership, their Evereve site. Evereve is a chain of retail stores, and Trendsend is their clothing subscription service. So if I say Trendsend or I say Evereve, I'm using those terms interchangeably. So I went to the Evereve website and started shopping for the things on sale. So I'm just here to share with you what I got and how I styled myself with them. So first thing up are these adorable little earrings that were on sale for $26.98. See if we can get them into focus. And I'll be wearing these in just a moment with something that I bought. Next thing, what am I wearing on top? This is the throwback hoodie. The original price on this was $170, and I got it on sale for $104.99. And it's just a super cool hoodie. What's different from this than other hoodies that I have is it's a light sweater material. So once the weather continues to warm up, I'll still be able to put this on in the evening just to take the chill off. And it's just got a super fun color pattern on it. The jeans I'm wearing are from Walmart. They are time and true crop jeans that I just purchased from Walmart. I wanted some crop jeans. Crop jeans feel more like spring and summer to me. And the shoes I'm wearing are black patent leather Keds that I got on a Stitch Fix sale. So this is just a fun outfit that I put together with things that are either from Walmart, quality and affordable, things that were on sale, or like this on sale. I will tell you, if you're interested in trying a Trendsend box, I can give you a referral code below. You could put your email address into Evereve, mark this as one of your favorites, and then ask your stylist to get it for you. And if you use a referral code like mine, you get 20% off your first box. Let me show you what else I've got here. I picked out this Think Rollin' bag, which is just, look at this thing. This baseball cap with my initial on it. A fun t-shirt, a really fun dress, and I already own a dress very similar to this, but I couldn't resist this one, and I'll get into that in a minute. A nice neutral top, and I have been shopping for the longest time for the perfect brown leather bomber jacket, and we'll see how this one works out. Let me share first with you the hat. I'm not one to wear baseball hats, but because this was fuzzy Sherpa and it had my initial on it and it was on sale for $34.99, I couldn't resist. And then I was so happy when I got it because I think it looks okay. Tell me what you think in the comments. I think I need to move my tripod up here a little bit. There we go. So great to wear going to watch your kids for sports and the sun is beating down on your face and you need a little shade. I'm going to end up in Dallas here in about a month and a half, and so I'll definitely be taking this with me. I don't know, it might feel a little hot there on my head with the fuzzy, so maybe I'll just be wearing this in Oregon in the spring. Now we have the Paris tee. I gotta move my arm so you can see it. Retro brand, Black Label is the name of the brand. It is $68, a little on the thin side. I love the way that they styled it on the Evereve site, so I'm gonna put a picture of that up here. Again, if you wanna get a discount on something like this, or I'm old school, I have a hard time paying $68 for a t-shirt. But if you love this because it's cute and it's very original, as a new customer signing up on their website, you can get 10% off. It's like all of those. You probably have to agree to get text messages. But yeah, that's a way to get a little bit off, or you can use a referral code and sign up for Trendsend, put it in your favorites and ask to get it. Cute tee though, I like it. And I have a pair of slacks very similar to the ones in the Evereve website showing this t-shirt that I would probably wear this with. So I didn't get this on sale, but it was so cute I just wanted to nab it before it ran out, but it's still available. Next up on my Evereve sale shopping adventure is the cloth and stone shirred blouse, and the regular price on this was $88. I got it on sale for $49.99, and when I took it out of the box I actually was kind of grumpy about it, but after I steamed it and now that I'm wearing it with these particular jeans, I think it looks very nice, very nice. So very happy with this purchase. Let me give you a close-up. It's a very silky fabric. Actually, I will go and look up the fabric really quick. 60% Cupro, whatever that is, and the rest is viscose, 40% viscose. Now I remember the deal with this shirt. It was only available in an extra small, so there's only a few left in an extra small, probably why it was on sale. So I'm happy I was able to nab one. The next thing is the Avec les Filles Aviator bomber jacket. Let me just throw it on over this. Regular price was $149, so this was a great sale at $49.99. Okay, what's the opposite of discombobulated? Rebombulated? I'm rebombulated. So here's the bomber jacket, and this I think I'm going to return because it just feels a little too boxy. Let me zip it up really quick and show it to you. It seems to me like Evereve retail carries a variety of brands and levels of, dare I say, quality. This bomber jacket has kind of a cheap zipper. It feels a little cheap. However, I did get a moto jacket at Evereve for $49.99. That was a distressed gray leather, and that thing is amazing and beautiful. So yeah, it just seems to be to have a little bit of variety here. So this one, yeah, it's just, I know it's the intended style, but and it was a great price, but I just don't like the style on me, so this one I'm going to end up returning. Last up, let's take a look at this dress. So this is the fun Sutton dress by Evereve. Regular price was $109 and sale price is $49.99. I really thought it was a great deal. We're having a wonderful sunny day here, so I didn't style it like is seen on the Evereve site where they had long black boots with it. That would look great. I'm thinking of wearing it when I go to Dallas, and I would wear black cowboy boots with it just for something different. Let's take a close-up look at the fabric here. So you can see the sleeves are somewhat sheer, and then this buttons up actually. So you have a little button here if you want to get a little bit of a formal look going for a more formal dinner or a more formal date night. And I put a belt with it. This is a belt by Kurt Geiger. Same with my shoes. I'm kind of a Kurt Geiger fiend, but I love the embellishments that Kurt Geiger puts on his accessories. And these two are part of the same series, I think. And they really dress up this dress as if it couldn't be dressy enough as it is. So I really loved it. Another thing I love about this dress is that I have one very similar. This dress is a Raby Brook dress that I got from Front Door Fashion, and I wore the heck out of it over the holidays. This dress was over $200. This dress, $49.99. So I do think the Evereve store has some elevated styles at some really great prices, especially the sales prices. And again, if you're new to their website, you can get 10% off by signing up with them, or you can use a referral code and order a Trendsend box and get 20% off. One last thing on this haul, a Think Rollin' purse. I had never heard of this brand until I got a black square version of one of these, actually in a Stitch Fix box. This is just a fun fanny pack style. This came with two, it's probably hopefully not squeaking on my microphone, two strap lengths. And this was originally, I think, $149, and I got it on sale for $79.99. It does have a pocket here that you could put a cell phone and keys into. It's a fairly big pocket. Maybe a cell phone and keys, at least one or the other. What a fun bag. For me, I was looking for a Think Rollin' fanny pack specifically, so I was surprised at how large the size was when I got it, so I think I'm going to return it, and hopefully in the store they still have the red square one, because I've had my eye on that for a while, although I think it's out of stock. So thank you so much for joining me for this Evereve website on sale haul. I had a lot of fun putting these things together and getting fun and funky stuff that I like, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're new here, please like and subscribe, and you'll get notified when I put up a new video. What I have coming up is another Stitch Fix box where I messaged the stylist and I said, can you please give me these sale items that I have in my cart? So we'll see if that works out, and hopefully it will. So thank you again for joining. Let me know what you thought of this haul in the comments. Give me a like and please come back. And in the meantime, have a great day.